What's up guys, welcome back to another DIY transformation. In today's video, I am going to be taking you step by step of how you can achieve and create an aged looking vessel just like this. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I purchased this vessel from Home Goods. It's over in their gardening and spring, summer planter section since all of that stuff is out right now. They have tons of different sizes and shapes. I fell in love with this one. I think it was perfect for my kitchen counter. I brought it home and I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. So if you are interested to doing something like this, keep on watching. Please give me a like if you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And of course, if you enjoy DIYs, home decor, home tours, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so here is how the planter looked before. This is from Home Goods once again, and it was priced at $24.99. And I'm just going to take this outside and use my chalked ultra matte spray paint. I purchased this from the Home Depot. I believe it was around $4 or $5. And I'm just going to go in here with my first coat. You don't want to get too close to this because you want to avoid the paint from dripping. So once the first coat is completely dry, you're going to go in with the second one until you have a complete full coverage look. So here it is, fully covered. It took 2 coats, and now that it's completely dry, I'm going to bring it inside, and I'm going to go and start with my acrylic paint. I purchased these from Target. They were $1 each. I purchased 2 of the white and 1 brown. The reason I did that is because I don't want it completely white. I wanted it to have more of a not tan, but not just an off-white color or finish to it. So I emptied 1 bottle here, and then I just added 2 drops of the brown. I'm just going to mix this very well, and once I have this to the color that I want it, I'm going to go in with some baking powder, and you're going to drizzle the amount. As soon as you start seeing the mixture, once you start mixing it, you're going to see how textured this paint is going to look. It all depends on the texture that you want your vessel or your vase to look. If you want it very, very textured and rough and bumpy, then you're going to add more baking powder. So it all depends on the look that you want to achieve. Here, I'm just going to start off with a little because I've never done this before. So I'm just going to start off with a little bit and then just work my way up. If I want a little more, I'll just add a little more along the way. So as you can see here, I'm just going all over the place with my paintbrush, and you just want to make sure you completely cover everything with this acrylic paint. And just for faster drying, I'm going to take it outside and leave it out in the sun for a few minutes. And then once it's completely dry, I'm going to bring it inside, and I'm going to be using some instant coffee and black mulch that I picked up for my garden beds. And the reason I am doing this is because, as you can see here, the difference in color, the mulch really has a very dark black, and the coffee is more of a brownish, tannish color. So I kind of just want it off. I don't want it all one color. I don't want it all brown or all black. So I just kind of came up with this idea. And so I'm just going to combine these two. At first, I decided to just not use my hands went and used this small paintbrush that I had, and I kind of found out that that's not the easiest way, because if not, this is just going to take hours. So I'm only using the paintbrush for like the small creases, as you can see on the top here. I'm going to be using that to get all of those little creases filled in with the mulch and with the coffee. And then just for the rest of the vase, I'm just going to dip my hand in both and just mix it all over and rub it. Just rub it until you have that look that you want. Some people really like it very looking very aged. I kind of just want it more in the mild side, if that makes any sense. I don't want too much of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and rub it until I achieve the look that I want. Alright, so now that I am done with it, I'm going to bring it back outside, and I'm going to be using this matte clear sealer. I purchased this from the Home Depot. It ranges around $2 to $3, and I'm just going to do one coat of this, and this is just to protect and seal all of the mulch and coffee that we just rubbed on the planter. Guys, so here it is, completely dried and finished. Now you can see a lot of the imperfection and texture all around this beautiful planter. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate it. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and I saw these for $2.99, and I thought they were perfect for my planter. I knew I wanted something like this, so this is what I got, and I purchased 2 of these. And the good thing about these is at the bottom, or not the bottom, but like this little area here is wired, so you're able to bend it. That way you can kind of form like a hook and just basically hook it around it over at the top, and it's gonna hold in place. Well friends, I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY. Please give me a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't done so. I'll see you guys soon.